welcome back to my channel. This is me documenting the reopening of Singapore after the lockdown or quarantine stay-at-home thing of March to June 2020 COVID. I don't know what I'm talking like this is a documentary, a time capsule, but it is. My mom pointed out that this is a historic day that I'm living because this is a historic year that we're living in. Singapore reopened about 80% on 18th June 00, so technically 19th June. Yesterday we waited to see how it happens. What if people just swarm out and then they have to close again? So that did not end up happening. We were planning on having a beach day today, but it rained. Even the roads are still wet, so of course the sand is gonna be wet, so we did not want to go to the beach. I'm hosting somebody after 3 months and I'm super excited. I made this card. Okay, let me cover up her name in case she doesn't, I don't know. So this is the card that I made from I made from a magazine, as you can see, and then I wrote a cute message for her on this side. It just says that I miss hanging out with you in real life. Happy to see you again. Happy phase 2 reopening, because I feel this is also a historic thing. I don't know, my mom pointed it out. That's when I realized that, ooh, my snack basket is full. I'm excited. I showered and I slept at 5 a.m. today, by the way, but I don't know, just was happy having one of those nights. I actually watched a journaling video and then I was just drooling all over, so I did some journaling for my beach day, but then I didn't get to write anything, I just decorated it. Yay, meeting my first person. I mean, we did meet once for grocery shopping, but of course we were apart and whatever, but here when she comes in, she can take off her mask and it's gonna be a good time, hopefully. I'm excited. We can sit at the balcony. We were talking about what we can do and we came up with 100 things to do. Like, we're gonna do all those 100 things in this meet. Not gonna happen, but yeah. Anyway, I want to meet you after. Hey guys, I just did a nice cycling session. I went to the nearby mall area and came back. This is for my pimples, so don't worry, my skin is all okay. So I thought, let me show you the normal life here. Look, the elections are coming, so people have put the Singapore flags outside their windows. They do this around the National Day as well. So I wanted to show you what the regular playgrounds look like here. I think this is a regular playground, but it's pretty amazing. But look at this beauty. Like, you will only find this in like townships and whatnot in India. How beautiful. You can actually walk on this path. Then there's like a sand castle area. There are these things, you know, these exercise machines that are there in India as well now. So very happy that India is at par with this and people use this quite often here. Then also this thing, it's like you can jump on it, so if you fall down, I guess it'll be better for children, you know, they won't get hurt so easily. As you can see, you can walk your pets over here and it says please leash and clean up after your pets. This is like the sandbox area. It's like the typical America style little things, right? We don't have this stuff. Even this is that same material of the bounciness. These are the kind of toys they have. There are sitting areas for old people, which I think is so nice. Again, we have everything there, but I feel like in India it's more of like stone. Here you have different materials and all being used, but that's all. Now the best part about this play area, I think, is bam, this amazing jungle gym situation. How cool is this? So I guess you can climb on top of this, like do a rock climbing, not rock climbing, but like this is a difficult thing. You climb on top of this, you reach there, then you walk across, and then you can come down in a slide. When my brother was here, he told me that, Didi, let's go, and I was being so lazy, like, no, not right now, and I didn't do it, and now I regret it. So I just can't wait for him to be back, because I said no to him at that time, and now I don't want to do it by myself. I want to do it when he comes. So I'll save this for that. Now let me show you how I unlock the bike and go my merry way. It's pretty cool. So I've downloaded this app called SG Bike. There are multiple apps. I have the app of SG Bike. I think those bikes are the best. I also had Mobike, but now I can't find the app on App Store, so that sucks. Look, this is Bougainvillea. This is the flower that we have at home, right? So there's a lot of greenery. All is man-made, by the way. Everything is man-made here, so pretty impressive. Now my bike, I did not really unlock. I didn't really lock, but I'll show you how it works. So this is the SG Bike. It's pretty good. I can put my purse here. This can hold 5 kg, as you can see. So what you do to unlock, you open the app, then you scan this barcode, okay, and then this thing is you're supposed to physically lock it there, and then you're supposed to scan a barcode which is usually near the parking areas. You scan it and then it locks, otherwise you have a penalty of $5 to pay. So to unlock, you just point your camera, it'll see the scan, the code, and then it will unlock. So if it's locked like that, it'll go and then it unlocks, and then there's a beep sound. Now all I need to do is just, whoop, this got hot, the seat got hot. I just need to be my merry way. The guys who made this, it's so beautiful. Look at this little basket. Oh my god, this is so pretty. This guy has made this. Oh wow, you've made even this thing here.
Yeah, these are all DIY bottles.
Yeah, the bottles look so beautiful. How did you come up with the idea of it? Roughly. It's very beautiful.
But when night time you come here to you know why?
Why?
Alien is dropping, the flying saucer coming down. The alien.
Really?
Be careful,
Oh my god, look at this, guys. It says garden. And they say aliens are dropping the flying saucers, so you have to be careful if you come at night. How innovative and amazing is that? So I just need to go and buy toilet paper for the government housing. How beautiful is this? This is all for government housing. Sitting area here, sitting area there, sitting area here. So as you can see, the grocery stores are pretty much the same. It's just that the variety that they offer is different. Like they have more varieties of noodles and Chinese pastes and stuff. They have these dried fish that they sprinkle on most of the things. So that's the anchovies. So things like that. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same, I feel. You can check out my Instagram for these videos that I put out called Fun Grocery Hauls, where I often show things like food items and such, which I've never been able to find in India or I saw for the first time in Singapore. It can give you a nice idea of what the grocery stores here offer, and if you're coming here, you can maybe try these as well. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye.